Hope everybody's doing well. Welcome to week 9. So today, continuing the series, we did the brush truck last week. We're doing the Medic 39 this week. This is the truck we take on our medical calls. We're going to go around, do a walk around of it, show a few compartments, stuff we have on it. We've got the computer in there, so we can call 911, and the notes that they put down, we can see the notes, keep us updated. We've got some flashlights, gloves, medical bag, clipboard, paper, everything in there. Coming on around the back, got a cooler. Everybody's got to stay hydrated. We've got a couple tools there. If we happen to be out in this truck and just roll up on a wreck, we can get started if we need to do any extrication. Air packs, fire extinguishers in there. Coming on around, we've got some more medical equipment up here that we don't use all the time. We've also got a lot of traffic that goes down this road. Y'all can hear that. Beautiful afternoon here. Flashlights. Just coming on around, get back to the front. I just want to go ahead and say thanks to everybody watching the videos. The more views I get, the more videos we'll do. There you have it, guys. Medic 39. Again, thanks for watching. If you don't want to miss an episode, remember to ring that bell, subscribe. Y'all keep subscribing, I'll keep the videos coming. Thanks, guys. Enjoy your week.